Imagine a machine that can write stories, create pictures, compose music, and even write computer programs. This amazing technology is called generative AI, or GenAI. But how can a computer create something that seems so creative? Let's take a journey inside its digital brain. Before GenAI can create anything, it must learn from an enormous collection of text, books, articles, websites, and other information. It doesn't memorize everything like a student studying for an exam. Instead, it learns patterns in language, much like learning the rules of a game. As it reads billions of sentences, the AI discovers that certain words often appear together. It learns grammar, facts, writing styles, and relationships between ideas. It begins to recognize patterns that humans use every day without thinking. Computers don't actually understand words. They understand numbers. So every word is converted into a mathematical representation. Similar words end up close together in this invisible mathematical space, allowing the AI to recognize relationships between ideas. The AI trains by playing a giant guessing game. It repeatedly predicts the next word in millions and billions of sentences. Every correct guess strengthens its understanding, while every mistake helps it improve. After enough practice, it becomes remarkably good at predicting what should come next. Inside the AI are billions of tiny mathematical connections called parameters. During training, these connections are adjusted little by little, allowing the model to store patterns it has learned from enormous amounts of data. Now it's your turn. When you ask a question, the AI breaks your sentence into pieces and searches through the patterns it learned during training. It doesn't search the internet for every answer. Instead, it uses its learned knowledge to begin generating a response. The AI doesn't write an entire paragraph instantly. It predicts one word, then uses that word to predict the next and the next, building a complete answer step by step at incredible speed. GenAI creates new content by combining patterns it has learned in new ways. It isn't copying a single book or picture. Instead, it blends ideas from countless examples to produce something original that matches your request. Even though GenAI is powerful, it isn't perfect. Sometimes it generates information that sounds convincing but is actually incorrect. That's why it's always important to verify important facts using trusted sources. Engineers improve AI by training it with better data and human feedback. People help teach it which answers are useful, safe, and accurate, making the system smarter and more helpful over time. Now you know the secret behind generative AI. It is not magic. It is mathematics, patterns, and billions of predictions working together. And with the right ideas, you can use it to learn, create, and build the future.
Thanks for watching Gubali, folks. If you enjoy the video, please like, share, and subscribe.